Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the another type of positive interaction, that is the mutualism. The mutualism is an association of dissimilar organisms to their mutual advantage. Therefore, it is also known as the symbiosis. It occurs in between the two different organisms, and it is an obligatory or the facultative type of relationship. In some populations, some physiological exchange occurs resulted into the co-evolution. Therefore, this one is called as the symbiosis. In the nature, there are too many symbiotic associations are found. Here are some examples of the obligatory mutualism or the symbiosis. Here is a lichen. So this figure, this one is a lichen. This lichen is an obligatory association between fungus and the alga. The fungus is with the absorbing structures called as the hyphae, while it has no chlorophyll. And the alga has chlorophyll but no absorbing structures. These two organisms live together forming a unit. That one is called as the lichen. The fungus absorbs raw materials and passed into the alga. The raw materials, these are in the form of the water or the nutrients or the carbon. And the alga performs the photosynthesis and manufactures the food. This food is shared by the both partners. Therefore, they are mutual to each other. One cannot live without the other. So this one is the symbiotic or the obligatory association. The another example of this mutualism is the root noodles and the nitrogen fixing bacteria. It is also an obligatory association between the nitrogen fixing bacteria, that is the rhizobium, and the leguminous plants. The bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrate, which the plants needs for their metabolism. And in turn, the leguminous plants like the pea or bean, they provide food and shelter to the bacteria. Therefore, this one is also a obligatory association in between the two different organisms. Here is the entomophily. This one is an example of the facultative mutualism between the flower and the visiting insects. The insects like bees, moths, butterflies, they visit the flowers for the pollen and the nectars. Insects bring about the cross pollination. So the both are beneficial here. In the flowers, the pollination occurs, and in turn the insects gets the pollen grains and the nectar. Here is another example, the termite and the trichonympha. The trichonympha are found inside the gut of the termites. The termite devour wood but are unable to digest it. And the trichonympha ingest minute bits of wood and they secrete the enzymes. These enzymes convert the cellulose into the soluble carbohydrates for their host. In turn, the trichonympha obtains the protection and the food. So here another one example is also there, the anemone and the anemone fish. The anemone fish lives its entire adult life among the tentacles of a bulb of the sea anemone. And anemone fish do not get stung by the anemone as would most other fish, so they get the protection from the predators. The fish often drop food scraps which the animals can eat. So this one is also the mutualism, but this one is not a obligatory mutualism. So thank you.